I do believe that when you see the prophet in person, you feel something. His personalization, talking about their families, and then talking about the families in their country, and then talking about the poor and the needy and those who need humanitarian care. And they leave having felt like they were with a prophet.
Our time together was marked by a feeling of mutual respect and a desire to link arms to see if we could capitalize on our respective strengths and help more people by working together. Simply stated, we strive to build bridges of cooperation rather than walls of segregation.
President Nelson is a leader. He brings the love of God. He says strong families make strong communities make strong countries.
I've seen more perfectly how it's done, or how it's done more perfectly. The president has a gift for that, and I think all of us can cultivate that gift of caring and of pure love of Christ in our lives. And I think that's what I want to have in my life, is a constant caring, a consistent way of ministering. It's about the people. In the end, it's all about people.